The techniques which, if I talk about myself, my autism treatment curriculums, it took years and years for me to plan out those techniques. So the herbs, the herbal supplements that have been developed by our research team along with me, and the psychotherapeutic techniques, both need to be carried out simultaneously. And for that, all that you require to do is joining my lives, sharing your views, sharing your thoughts, sharing your problems, whatever you are facing in the child, so that I can guide what exactly needs to be done. And not just my lives, but the lives of my psychotherapists, who generally train the parents. Many a times a parent will feel that going to a psychotherapy center or going to an ABA center or a special training center is good enough. They will tell us that, see, we are giving your supplements, and along with giving of your supplements, what we are currently doing is that we are going to ABA therapist, a speech therapist, a behavior therapist. That's not at all bad. It's really good, and those things really help out a lot. But then the parents need to be trained. The best ABA therapist, the best speech therapist, the best behavior therapist is no one else but the parent himself or herself. So it becomes very important for the parent to understand, to realize that it can only be with their efforts that their child can come out of the stage. There are so many herbs which nature has blessed us. It's just like, I'll just take an example, that in a kitchen you may be having various vegetables. The oil is there, the salt is there. With the same kind of salt, with the same kind of vegetables, with the same kind of gadgets, an experienced chef will be able to cook one of the tastiest vegetable curries around the globe. And the same set of things, an inexperienced chef who's not good enough may cook something out which is non-palatable. So it's not about the ingredients, the herbs only, which really matters. What matters is how those are used with techniques and how they are combined with the psychotherapy guidance. So for all of you sitting anywhere in the globe and expecting your child to come out of autism, my genuine request to you is, there is no one more than your own self who can help your child. And don't run after herbs only. Don't go on buying and purchasing herbs from anywhere. Always listen to advices also. It's herb plus psychotherapy guidance, and if possible, certain panchkarma techniques which we guide to the parents, which can be performed on the child very easily and very safely. Another important thing which I always advise the parents is, at any stage where you feel reaching me out is necessary, you can reach me out absolutely free of cost through my live sessions. Whenever I'm in India, I do go for at least one complimentary consultation session at my Chandigarh center. You can reach out to my team for bookings on those. And I also go for certain sessions around the globe, for which you again can reach out to the team. Meeting, interacting, understanding, following. So if we say that we need to say goodbye to autism, and if we really want our child to come out of that phase, it's a meeting, understanding, interacting, and religiously following that. If all those things are done, yes, then we can expect that autism is not a disease, it's a phase. So my friends around the globe, I request you all, our helpline numbers are there on your screens. You can use those helpline numbers for any kind of guidance from our end. You may be taking treatment from anywhere around this globe. You may be a firm believer of allopathy. Believe it, there is nothing wrong in that. You may be a firm believer of homeopathy. Believe it, there is nothing wrong in that. You may be believing some other Ayurvedic doctor. Believe him, there is nothing wrong in that. There is nothing wrong in any medicinal system of the globe. But then, while believing them, do interact with us at least once, so that what we have gathered from our experience can be utilized to further supplement whatever you're doing and further enhance and improve the chances of your child to come out of this stage. So from my end, thank you all for listening to me patiently. Any questions from your end, feel free to contact our helplines for the same. Thank you. Autism is a temporary